Hey guys, this is our pitch for the Algavira X AI3 Hacker House. Today we'll be demoing CollabGPT. It's Figma for prompt engineers. So there's two problems we're trying to tackle. The first is prompt sharing, and the second is prompt collaboration. Right now, myself and Earl, who's here behind me, we have been working in numerous hackathons for the past few months or years even. And ever since ChatGPT has come out, we've been using it to help us with our projects. And often we end up copying and pasting each other's prompts and workflows to basically come out with the same end result or to see what each other has generated. Do you want to explain?
Yeah, and prompt collaboration. So a lot of it has to do with pre-prompting, and a lot of it has to do with providing context to these large language models, and that just costs more because you have to redo all the work. And if you had all that data to actually be there available in a shared pool, that actually just saves a lot on time and also cost.
Awesome. Yeah, so what we're trying to do is we're trying to basically unleash the power of global collaboration. We want to allow prompt engineers and people working with GPT and other models to co-create, brainstorm, and easily share GPT prompts with teams in real time, the same way that Figma sharing works. There's a couple of solutions that we have, and the first is we're creating a collaborative prompt environments and AI tooling. We're making it easy to share prompt workflows, and we're also decentralizing data through the use of Ceramic. So I'll switch over to our demo really quickly and we will showcase that.
So as you can see, there's two different browsers that have completely different separate environments, and they're not shared by anything except connecting to the Ceramic node. So how you'd log in is you'd log in with your MetaMask, which signs a message that's Ceramic. Here you'd also you'd add your own private keys, because you wouldn't want to for OpenAI you wouldn't want to provide those keys on Ceramic, because then other people would be able to use them. So right now we're going to
get the keys.
Get that key. It is also on live, so we'll have to revoke that key the moment we end this video.
Okay, there we go.
Very good. So now, as you can see, you're one of the users. You can then fill in something. So let's try that. And as you'd expect, you'll get some actual responses and some good ones too. So now you just committed to your prompt tree. How are you going to share with someone else? So we can actually now move over to the next browser, which has no state whatsoever. So make sure you delete the cookies just to make sure that that's the case. So you can see that right now we're deleting all our cookies. Now we're doing the same process, but a completely different system. So let's see, log in.
Different wallet as well.
Different wallet as well.
And a different did. Let's just do Earl. Okay.
There you update your own profile. And as you can see, actually, already you would have to put your own key, but as you can see, the same information got passed from one individual to the other. And actually, quickly, if the GraphQL one is showing,
sure. So
we can show you actually that the composite is actually storing that data on a Ceramic node.
Just give me 1 second.
So we do a simple query, and we do React node. we take the first or the last,
Yeah, we do the first 10.
first 10. And then we query whatever, we query the edge, and then the node, and then we query the actual data itself.
Text. Great.
And so this text, you can see it's encoded in base 64 to make encoding much easier. And if we decode this, just decode one of the blocks.
Yes, you could.
You can see this is the JSON data of the React node, so that you can actually sync up with.
Yep, I'll give another one as well because that one was just for the system. But I can decode the.
And see, this is an updated version of the React node JSONified string. And that was it. That was our application. There is a lot to do. For instance, provide normalizing the data with Ceramic, maybe giving access control based on NFTs, providing so making sure that you don't overwrite other people's data. So there's a lot of improvement off of this model, but the gist is that Ceramic makes it super usable and decentralized for people to actually share and collaborate on prompt trees and save cost and save time.
And we'll just show a quick demo. We're going back and forth. Hopefully this works. But yeah, as you can see, we've gone and tested this user on the second user profile, so Earl's profile, and we've sent a prompt over from Earl's profile back to my profile, and you can see it's also visible, so both users can interact with the prompt trees. Thanks for watching.